Welcome back to Abra Knowledge channel. Today we are going to discuss Minitab navigation tips. There are 30 tools we are going to discuss which are predominantly used in Lean Six Sigma and general statistic. Let's see how it goes. And I have classified into very simple way like stat menu, graph menu and general. When you say stat menu, there are tools like for example if you wanted to convert the data or if you wanted to find out the descriptive statistic, you can go to Minitab stat and descriptive statistic. For process capability, you have to go to stat and then quality tools and then control chart, stat control chart, and then you can find individual or subgroups or discrete, you can find it out. And same like MSA, again you have to go into quality tools under the stat menu and normality test again under the stat menu you will find normality test under the basic statistic. And similarly, if you look at the scatter or regression example, regression you can find it many tabs, stat regression and fitted line. So all these you can easily find it out. And in the graph menu, predominantly used tools are scatter, dot plot, histogram, and box plot. Scatter, Minitab, you have to go to graph and scatter. And dot plot, you have to go to Minitab, graph, and dot plot. And histogram, how to find? You have to go to Minitab, graph menu, and then histogram. Box plot, you will find Minitab, graph, and box plot. And there are general also as well. For example, if you wanted to know design of experiment, you can go to Minitab directly design of experiment. And if you wanted to know anything calculations, you can do with the help of calc. And page layout, you can go to editor and page layout. Session folder, you can go yellow icon, you can click or Control Alt M. Clear the window, Control E and save, Control S. And if you wanted to sort the data and all that, Minitab data and then sort, code, recode, and all that you can do. So this is the overall quick one. There are 29 tools or 30 tools are available, and this is also kept in the drive also as well. And all you have to do is you have to just comment, and I will give this link to you so that you can make use of it in the Excel version. Like this Excel version will be available, and this will be given to you so that anytime, for example, if you want to know, you can just do a control, for example, control F and scatter, right? You will get to know how to navigate to scatter. For example, if you wanted to know, let's say Pareto example, right? So Pareto, go to Minitab stat and quality tools and Pareto. Like this, you can easily find it out. I'm coming back to SWI, and also I kept this link in the description so that you can make use of it. This link will take you to the SWI, and from the SWI also what we discussed today, you can definitely go through it. And I hope you like this video. Please do like, share, subscribe my channel. You have wonderful day ahead.